from my upcoming book, Shorter Poems. This morning I found a peace within. This morning I found a peace within, deeper than the sea, and knew in truth there is no sin dividing you and me. All life is one, this I know, and all division be a shadow on the way we go into eternity.